Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Xbox Series X to Samsung TV Instant Fix step by step clearly. Start by ensuring that your Xbox Series X and Samsung TV are both switched off. Locate the HDMI cable that came with your Xbox Series X. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI out port on the back of your Xbox. Next, find an available HDMI input on your Samsung TV. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to that HDMI input on your TV. Now, turn on your Samsung TV. Use the TV remote to select the input source that corresponds to the HDMI port you connected the Xbox to. Once the TV is set to the correct HDMI input, turn on your Xbox Series X. Wait for the Xbox to power up, which should take just a few seconds. If you see the Xbox logo on the screen, the connection is successful. If not, double-check that both ends of the HDMI cable are securely connected. It may also be helpful to restart both the Xbox and the TV if you encounter issues. Once the connection is established, you can navigate through the Xbox interface on your Samsung TV. If you want to adjust the display settings, go to the Settings menu within the Xbox console. You can customize resolution and refresh rate according to your TV's capabilities. Finally, ensure the audio settings are configured to your preferences for an optimal gaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.